Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to download DSJ Exchange. If you're trying to download DSJ Exchange and it's not showing up in the App Store or Google Play, don't worry, this is one of those apps that requires a manual installation process. Open your browser and go to the official DSJ Exchange website. On the home page, look for the Download button found at the right top corner. Click it. Now, a QR code will appear on your screen. This is how they redirect you to mobile installation. So, instead of direct download links, you use your phone to access the app. Take your phone and open your camera app then. Point it at the QR code. Tap the link that appears. Once redirected, you'll see options to download either the iOS version or the Android version. Select your device type, then click Allow to start downloading the file. After downloading, go to your phone settings. Open Settings, then go to General and click on VPN and Device Management. Find DSJ Profile under Downloaded Profiles. Click it then. Tap Install, enter your passcode, and tap Install again. Why this step is required? iOS blocks apps from unknown developers by default. This step tells your phone the app is safe. Once installed, go to your home screen, find the DSJ Exchange app, and open it. So that's the complete manual installation process. Important warning: manual installs come with risk if you're not careful. So only download from the official site and never use random links. To summarize, downloading DSJ Exchange involves going to the official website, scanning the QR code, downloading the app based on your device, installing it manually, and trusting the app in your phone settings. This allows you to install apps that aren't available in standard app stores. And that's how to download DSJ Exchange. This process might feel a bit unusual compared to normal app downloads, but once you understand it, it's actually straightforward. Just remember, always prioritize security when installing apps like this. Take your time, follow each step carefully, and you'll be good to go. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.